Yes, they are. Good morning to you, Roger and Nina. Good morning to you at home too. We have got, thankfully, a bit of a change on the cards, and we are expecting to see some rain for some places, certainly over the next few days. Not much of that across much of England and Wales today. Another dry day to come for many of us, especially in the south and east. This is how we start the day in Norfolk. Beautiful sunrise there. And it's going to be the last of the very hot days today. The end of the heat wave is in sight now. So still, yes, hot and sunny, but some thunderstorms developing today in the north and the west. So we've still got that amber extreme heat warning across much of England and East Wales too. So still some implications for the rest of today with heat-related health problems and perhaps some disruption to travel as well. A little bit of low cloud lapping onshore for northeast England and northern and eastern Scotland. We've also got some showers already across Northern Ireland, and they'll develop more widely for Northern Ireland and western Scotland later this morning. Some thunderstorms, perhaps some large hail and frequent lightning too. Most of us across much of England and Wales stay dry for a good part of the day, and temperatures still up to about 34 or 35 degrees. Just a little bit cooler than it was yesterday, though, for the north and the west of the UK. And we could see some of those showers edging into Wales, perhaps southwest England at times as well, but they'll be fairly isolated. Now, through this evening and overnight, the showers in the north and the west start to edge their way a little bit further southwards and eastwards, so you may well hear the odd rumble of thunder overnight for Northern Ireland, perhaps into Wales as well. But it's going to be quite warm and quite humid, again sticky if you're trying to sleep tonight, with temperatures in the mid to high teens, perhaps no lower than 20 degrees for parts of southern England and South Wales, a bit like last night in fact. Now, low pressure becomes a little bit more established across the UK as we move through into the beginning of the working week. So Monday, we're more likely to see some of those showers just edging a little bit further eastwards. Could be one or two cropping up, for instance, across East Anglia during the afternoon. They could be heavy again and thundery, and some really heavy downpours across parts of northern and western Scotland as well. So certainly some more frequent showers through the day tomorrow than we've seen recently, but still some areas will miss them altogether and stay dry, and we're likely to have the 8th consecutive day above 30 degrees towards the south and the east, but turning a little bit fresher from the northwest. So by the time we get to Tuesday, again, some showery rain, some thunderstorms around, most persistent across parts of Scotland and northern England. There could be some localised flash flooding with some of these downpours at times, not just Tuesday, but actually over the next few days. If you do catch some of those showers, they're falling on that really dry ground, so just running off and potentially causing some localised flash flooding. So by Tuesday, we're looking at temperatures back into the 20s in the south, the mid-teens towards the north. Then low pressure not far away into the middle of the week, and it may well bring a period of a bit more persistent rain across some southern areas. So perhaps still some heavy showers lingering into Wednesday, but again, that risk that we could see some localised flooding with some of the heavy downpours. But temperatures are coming down through the week ahead, so we're looking at something a little bit more average for this time of year. Roger and Nina.
Yeah.